Alright, we're back in the kitchen. Today's super easy. You'll be able to follow along on this one. Steak, potatoes, corn. Simple. Let's eat.
Alright, step one, we're gonna go ahead and boil these. Not till they're like completely soft or anything, but just boil them enough where we can smash them down a little bit, and then we're gonna toss them in the oven with some olive oil and salt and pepper. And while the potatoes are going, Jana is cutting off the corn for us so we can get that roasted with butter and salt and pepper too. Salt and pepper is the star of the show here, along with this steak. We got the water boiling, cast iron's ready, corn in that pan, oven. You gotta set that, get it preheated, right temp.
And that'll be for the potatoes. Let's get this steak seasoned.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't you run away from me, buddy. Alright, this is a New York strip. Jana really wanted a steak, so we got one. Ooh. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous piece of freaking meat here, baby. Let's get it seasoned up and cook this bad boy up on the cast iron.
Alright, we trimmed a tiny little bit of the fat off. Salt and pepper, let's go. The water is boiling. We're going to go and toss in these potatoes, and then we'll get our cast iron up to temperature. But we're going to let these potatoes rock first because we're going to have to cook them twice. First, we're going to boil them, then second, we're going to bake them. So let's get the boiling part done. Again, you don't want to boil these to mashed potatoes. That's not what we're doing. We're not doing mashed potatoes. We're doing roasted potatoes. But we're going to smash them first. Let's rock. Potato.
All of which is true. We're still here pumping our fist, celebrating. We're sitting at
The water from the potatoes. Now we're going to smash them and place them on here with some olive oil, salt and pepper, and then bake them. 420 degrees. Put some olive oil on here so we don't get anything sticking.
Alright, so the goal is to smash these, but don't break them. Fork is the best technique. Smash them just like this, and then we're going to put them right on the pan. Easy peasy.
Salt and pepper on these, and then we're going to bake them and then cook this steak. We're going to get some butter going too for this corn. All the corn is the sweet corn, butter, a little bit of salt, a lot of pepper. Alright, let's get a little sear action on this steak. We got butter, olive oil, let's rock. Alright, that sear is looking good. We're going to finish in the oven now. Now with the corn, what we're looking for is we want it to get some color on it. So you can see like some of the stuff at the bottom is starting to get a little bit of that brown color. That's what we're looking for. So this still got some time to go. Now I got Tadao, the helper. Make sure the food's getting cooked. Alright, we got an internal temp 130. Let's let that rest. This corn is finishing up. The potatoes are nearly done. We got ourselves a simple meal. Alright, we let this rest for about 10 minutes. Let's cut it into some slices and eat. Oh man, we murdered that. Look at that perfect medium rare. Alright, let's plate it up. And we got a super simple meal, man. This one was easy to follow along. Ingredients were minimal, man. You had potatoes, a steak, corn, salt, pepper, butter. That's it. You can follow along, make this at home. It's delicious, it's filling. My wife loves it, and I'm excited to eat. Let's eat and let's play some video games, guys. Jana also finished this dope-ass little lava lamp rug today, as well as a little commission rug, and then my panda. So those got to get some glue. Yeah, then we got a live stream. Let's go.
All right, we just finished a little live stream. Big shout out to anybody that hangs out on the live streams, man. You're greatly appreciated. Thank you, guys.
All right, so Jen is going to sleep. We got to put some glue on these things and live stream. Because why not, right? If we're going to put some glue on this one, we'll take some dabs, baby. Let's set this live stream up. If you don't follow the live streams, twitch.tv/TimBrown_California. That's a mouthful. Link in the description. Come join. We play Apex and take dabs. All right, let's put the glue on the carpet. That there. Those, you see how they have no glue? Panda has some glue on it. Glue, glue, Lego. Scoopy. Oh man, that stuff. Alright, we got the first one done at the top. Now we're going to go ahead and work on the lava lamp. The top one was a commission, so that one you can't buy. But this lava lamp will be for sale, as well as the panda. Let's go. Alright, mission accomplished. We got glue on the rugs. Now to decide if this vlog continues in the morning or if I go make a cheeseburger. You'll find out in the next clip. Good morning, guys. We're going to continue to vlog a little fitness, man, because we're out of shape, all right? So we're going to jump in the sauna as well as do a light workout, maybe some light stretches with Jana. Nothing too crazy. We're not going to be in there pumping, lifting crazy weights because, man, I simply just haven't worked out for years. So we got to start small, got to start somewhere. Let's try to just get a little bit more healthy. 1% better. That'll be a win for us. Let's rock. I like to heat it up for at least 30 to 40 minutes, so when I get in, it's nice and toasty. Timer only goes for an hour. Guess technically shouldn't be in there for that long. We're also thawing today's dog food because we get it frozen and we forgot to thaw it. So that's what this water is going on over here. Dog food. Sauna complete, workout complete, shower time. I'm sweaty. I'm so sweaty. Whew. All right, we are cleaned up. About to jump onto a live stream. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, you know what to do. Again, the hash is my hobby. This is probably the last time I mention it. It's almost all sold out. Thank you guys for supporting it. There are dad mats, shirts, long sleeves. There will be a sweater drop or a hoodie drop coming up soon. I'll see you on the next video. Later.